YouTube. I'm finna be working on my two-door Caprice. But yeah, we're finna be working on the two-door. Getting this floor pan right. I wasn't even gonna record, but Apple got the update to where you can record and play music, so I can still record on my phone and, you know, just mute it out. Or go in time lapse, y'all won't hear nothing anyway. So we're finna get this driver floor pan started, and it's actually a little easier start than I thought it was. Let me flip the camera real quick. All right, if y'all see that line, that straight line going right there, that's this same line. So all I need to do is cut that line, cut that one, cut that way, because we still got all of that. And we're gonna do brush treatment and clean it up. So yeah, and then I just need to get the curve, which we kept the piece that had the curve. This is the one I did. A little pot cone, but she on that. She's not coming out. So, and I might run some more on that. So, yeah. And we're gonna go in that time lapse, y'all. This is mostly gonna be a time lapse video. I still just want to bring it to y'all, just show y'all I'm like that. But yeah. Alright, y'all, making progress. Now we finna lining this up. This line right here is that spot right there. Tell me that goes straight up. So line that up like that, and wham, got the curve. So yeah, and then I cut outside the lines too, just in case, cause I don't want to end up with a big old gap. So I do that just to help me in case it do be undercut or anything like that. So yeah, back in time lapse. Alright, y'all, it's about the best fitment. Some parts like up there is overlapping a little bit because of the I just want to keep as much up there as I can, really, because it's already a little rust up there that I'm probably gonna have to fix too. And I cut too much right there because I forgot I cut that section out, so that's the reason that's not straight. So we're just gonna have to add a piece of metal in that too. But for the most part, yeah, that can work. So we finna start tacking this up probably. All right, we're finna take a break now with Mama. Finna go get some lunch. But yeah, so.
I'm on camera.
Yeah, you on camera.
Take a picture.
Nah. But yeah, y'all, we'll fade back in a while and finna start welding them in probably, and then get everything tacked in. But fade back, y'all. Fade us out, Mom.
Peace out.
All right, y'all, we back. Full say I can't go to sleep though, cause boy, I'll be about to eat and go to sleep, and you don't even get back up. But getting back to work, so I'm gonna put y'all on top of that. I'm gonna get back to it, turn the music on, and get going. Y'all, we got the first one. These gonna be even better too, cause I gotta go get some more welding wire. Ran out, so I gotta go get some more flux wire so I can get back started. But I like how the lines lining up. Look like one floor pan, especially once we paint it. Yeah, making progress, y'all. Alright, y'all. I was doing pretty good right in there, too. Pretty decent. Yeah, a little bubbly on this side, but she is in there. It ain't going nowhere. But gotta cut a little section up for that and up there. So, finna do that now and this spot. So, yeah, I'm finna get to that now.
JP.
I am looking at it.
Yeah, my boy getting me together. I got a flow now, y'all. Got a flow. Boy was down bad.
Yeah.
I say the kid getting me right. He tacking me all the way in, and I'm gonna do the rest of the part. You know, he got the hard job. I'll take care of the rust converter, seam seal, POR 15, and then I still plan on painting the whole floor black, and then my kill mat. So I still got some work to cut out, but my boy got me.
Man, I said, bro, I gotta stop learning how to do stuff, cause I'm working on all the cars right now.
I told you, bro. Yeah, you got your hand full. That's what I told you. That's why I said in the last video, boy. I should have got busy with your mama. Had two of y'all, cause we had to do nothing.
Oh my God.
Y'all had me set.
I feel, bro. I feel like I literally been working on it.
Yeah, I know you feel like I'm gonna have to pay you.
You don't got to pay me, you know. You
Buy yourself for the car.
parts.
I got
Buy
you.
me that intercooler.
I think about it.
But nah. Yeah, we got.
All right, now put it up.
You got a switch. But yeah, y'all, we got that together. I started grinding the floor, if you can tell.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh yeah, and I don't know what it is with that wire wheel. That one
The one you
had
got.
that little accident with. It's off balance now too.
All right.
But
I'm
yeah.
gonna go to. You want the other kind? You rather have the other kind?
Yeah, the one that got on
The same one we started out with.
Yeah, I like the one that I started off with.
It
worked good for this kind of stuff.
Yeah, I'll get you one of them tomorrow.
Yeah.
Cause I gotta make a run. I gotta get.
That's all for this video, y'all.
Yeah, man.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below how y'all think it's looking. Got that one. Got the driver. And yeah, these is not falling out either. Them things in there.
No, I'm sure. Alright. Like I said, I know you stood on that back one, and that back one done had weight on it since we got it done.
And I done beat on the driver one.
Yeah, so you ain't going nowhere.
But that's all for the video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Turn them post notifications on so you know when we dropping another video. The bad boy coming together, gang.
Yeah. And just so looking ugly, we out here, y'all.
Gone.